be with you. Ay, I wanna be with you. I wanna be with you. Just love me. If I didn't ride blade on curve, would you still? If I'm in my mind at work, would you still? Keep it 100, I'd rather you trust me than to. Keep it 100. Don't got you, I got nothing. I got something.
Like, do you want to get fucking closer? Do you want to get fucking closer or something? Like, what the fuck is wrong with you, dude? Learn how to fucking drive. Learn how to fucking drive, dude. I can't hear you, dumbass. Oh, okay. You threw something at me? Yeah. I'm gonna get your license plate. Look at this. You see this camera?
I don't care.
Okay, you don't care. Oh, you taxi too?
You just missed me, right?
Yeah, I did.
Yeah, you did. Okay, just shut the fuck up and keep moving.
You almost just hit me. You're a fucking idiot. No, but you just hit me. I'm gonna get your license plate. Alright, I can see your license plate. EBWANY 1. I got you, bro. This fucking guy, dude, he's insane. He almost hits me and he fucking yells at me. DEBWANY 1. Now he's too scared to pass me, so I don't get him on camera. And he threw something at me too. Let's see what he does. DEB. Oh, it's TLC! There you go! Another fucking TLC plates as well. Goddamn, dude. Fucking taxi drivers. Holy shit.